Hello guys, we're gonna look into how to solve LoveLetter, which is 500 points networking challenge. We have a pickup file over here. It's Wireshark. You can open it in Wireshark. However, I usually when I solve pickup challenges, I use another program called Network Miner. It's a better tool to have. يعني it's easier to look into pickup files. So when we place a pickup file over here, we look into it and we see over here we have two files. One of them, when you open it, is the actual email. Over here you have base64 hash, and over here when you open this EML file, uh, if we open it with Notepad, this usually in Wireshark, I believe you can open it using follow stream, and you'll find this in the follow stream. So basically what you need to do is just copy the whole base64 and either use Linux to decode the base64 or just use a normal website to decode it. There is base64 decoded.org, but that website doesn't have a specific format. You have to character set. You have to change it to change to it. For example, if we go here and write base64 decode and we paste it over here, you will not get anything useful out of whatever there is. You see your anonymous admirer. So basically this whole thing is just a text. It's like a letter. Even if you try to change it to any different format, you'll not get anything. Therefore I usually use Motovit base64 decoder, because the website actually does everything correctly. And even if you want to decode a base64 in a proper format that is actually a file, you can export it as a bin file, then later on changing it to the proper format. So over here we just paste it over here, and then we look to setting keys. Here it says 7-bit, so therefore we just change it to UTF-7 and place it on over here. Then we press the code. You'll see here's Chinese text, and there's another admirer. So just copy on the Chinese text and put it, for example, in Google. Over here it says some words, but here we're looking for, as specifically said, that the challenge will ask to call the number to receive a flag. However, since it was back in 2011, I believe the number was cancelled. Therefore, the number is a flag. So when we look into it over here and we try to submit that flag as 102, 528, then we have 3977. This will not work, of course, because it's incorrect. However, when you look into other websites, when you translate the same text, you'll get different answers. For example, over here it says 201, so you just play with the flag till you get the proper flags. For example, 201, 528, 977. Some website has 987. You just change it to 87. Just play with the numbers on different translation size. Or if you have a person who knows Chinese, maybe he can translate it to you. Anyways, this is a flag. Here you find the flag. There's another way to find the flag. You don't need to even look up the country code. For example, in US it's 1 at the beginning, or in China it's 44 at the beginning, or you'll need to just create some spaces between, just like a normal phone number. It's just basic long number, and that's how you find the flag for captured of LoveLetter 500.